Hi guys, welcome back to 40 Plus Life, or welcome if you are new. My name is Veronica and I'm really excited today because I'm going to be taking part in a Workspace Collab. Chrissy from the Mom Life invited me to be a part of this, so I'm basically going to be showing you what my workspace is like. And yeah, so I do want to thank Olivia over at Miss B Budgets for introducing me. She is really sweet. Her YouTube channel is just starting out, so make sure to go check her out if you haven't already. And she does have a shop as well, missbbudgets.com. It's a tongue twister. So be sure to check that out because she sells binders, wallets, savings challenges, all kinds of things. So make sure to go check her out. So thank you again, Olivia, for introducing me. Okay, so a little bit about me. I am, obviously this channel is called 40 Plus Life, so I am in my 40s. My two daughters are grown up and live on their own, so it's just me here and my pets. All right, so let's go check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna start this off. I currently live in a one-bedroom apartment flat. I do have a house back in California, Northern California, that I am renting out right now. So if I ever go back living there, I do have a bedroom that I would use as my office. So with me just being here in a one-bedroom apartment, this is what I do. As it's just me, this is my dining area. I've converted it into my office / workout area. And it's worked out great. I don't need to have a table and chairs or anything like that. In fact, I just prefer not to. I eat at my desk, or I have a counter area in the kitchen with 2 stools that I can sit at, but I never do. I always eat at my desk, which is probably why it's not very neat. So I guess we'll just start with the main attraction here. Okay, another thing, I do live in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm from California, and so here it gets, in Las Vegas, it's very dusty. It's the desert dust, and I'm so not used to it being so dusty. So no matter what I do, things get dusty. So you're gonna see my area be full of dust. That's just how it is. I'm not gonna dust every day. I don't have time for that nonsense. I also have cats and my dog, so obviously that kind of stuff also accumulates hair everywhere. So anyways, here we go. So this is my desk. I have 2 monitors. I used to work in the game industry, and I am a gamer. Yes, I'm an old lady gamer. A PC gamer, I should say. So I would normally have 3 monitors, but as I don't have the space, I have to settle for 2, but that's okay. It's actually worked out really well, so I'm very happy with it. This is my big 4K monitor and then my smaller monitor. So this is my desk. It's just a table style desk. Doesn't have anything fancy, no drawers or anything like that. It is black, and so, or brown, dark brown, one of those. And I do cover it with some kind of paper or whatever. And as I say, I do eat here as well, so I do need to replace it. As you can see, there's like areas here that I need to fix up, so I'm just going to be tearing it all off and put a new sheet on there. But I was gonna wait because, as you know, Christmas is coming. Oh, speaking of Christmas, hi. So I'm gonna be like putting wrapping paper or something on it because that's what I want to do. All my work is done on the computer. The only thing I use my phone for is to record videos. I have a Galaxy S10 right now. I'm not an iPhone user. I don't like iPhones or Apple products in general. Sorry, I'm just one of those little snobs. Like, I'm a PC gamer snob. Sorry. Okay, you can ignore all that. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. So I do all my recording here. I do have a webcam. I used to do other kind of videos. Oh, you can see how dusty my monitors are. So I do have a webcam. I used to do other types of videos long ago when I was working in the game industry. So I have a webcam for if I needed stuff. And I also have this beefy Blue Yeti microphone that is awesome. So I may, if I ever do any lives or whatever, I will obviously make use of that. But I've got, my colors are red and black, so obviously I have my red and black keyboard and my mouse to match. Got my Japan flag. I am half Japanese, so that's what that represents. And then this is my planner. Now, you know, there's so many different kinds of planners out there, but if you're just starting out, you can totally just use a notebook. You know, I'm very simple, so I don't do anything fancy or buy any of the fancy books. I do just kind of make my own and kind of go from there. So because we're in the month of the holidays, or the holiday months right now, this is the time that I kind of spruced it up a little bit, but usually these things are all just in black and white. So, but again, I started off just using like this, some notepad paper and just writing everything out. So that's all you need to do there. And then I got my collection of pens, and then I have more little pens over there. And that's my office chair. I do like these kind more ergonomic chairs, so that's what I have. Like I said, this is a very simple desk, so there's nothing underneath, like drawers or anything. So I did buy this thing underneath, but I hardly use it, so it's more a footrest than anything else. That's Ollie over there. Ollie! He's sleeping. My computer and my UPS is down there. And then over here...
Answer your question. According to Wikipedia, United Parcel Service is an American multinational...
Computer! Cancel! Not sure why Alexa wanted to show up. So, this area here is where I have my file cabinets, or my file cabinet. I've got my black and white printer. And then this is my color printer. And yes, those are 3 laminators. I was planning on doing like a lot more laminating and envelopes and stuff like that, but I kind of got burnt out. So I mostly just do the trackers right now, the laminated trackers, and maybe some envelopes for myself. But having multiple laminators do come in handy when you're doing bulk work. So I do recommend that. And down here, I have, like I said, I was going to do envelopes, so I have a bunch of cardstock here that I'm not sure what quite I'm going to do with yet. I've got my little cutter there, some thick 80-pound paper, and then 2 boxes that are filled with envelopes. And this is just I'm making use of whatever I can for my space. So obviously I don't want to block off my balcony. So I have, because I like to open the door and let the air in and stuff. So I have things wherever I can fill them up. So I've got this little organizer thing here with my hole punchers there. And it's just filled with all different stuff. So that's that. So I got all this here because this is like the worst time right now. I'm recording. Like I said, it's Christmas time. Well, it's going to be Christmas time. I've started early, so I've already put up my tree and decorations and stuff. So, and I was wrapping presents, so that's why these tubs are out right here. Okay. Hey, Nugs. Hi. Okay, and then this area here is... I'm gonna sit so I can... Okay, so this area here is where I have, well, there are my binders for all my cash envelopes. This is all stuff that I use for, or if I'm mailing packages or whatever. So anything, like I do have an Etsy shop, but I mostly sell printables. But I also am starting to send out friend mail. So that's what I've been using a lot of my stuff for. Because I'm like, I don't care so much right now. So yeah, this is just supplies basically. It's just a bunch of supplies. And I was going through some old stuff and I found this and I'm like, oh my gosh, I can use it and it looks so cute. So it's just hanging out there right now. And then that's it. And like I said, I double my dining area also with to work out. So I have this mat right here, so I use that to work out. And then I've got, making use of every space, hanging on my door, some you know, some workout stuff. There's some stuff missing. And then I do have like a section with weights on the other side over there as well. So, but yeah, but this is it. This is it. I made use of every little bit of space I can. Along with that, and then after this room, it just goes to the living room, and then my bedroom is right there. So I hope that was helpful. You don't need a lot of stuff to get started. Like if you're doing more stuff like Etsy shop stuff, then yeah, maybe you want kind of this kind of stuff. But if you just want to start your own YouTube channel, oh yeah, I forgot to show this. And then this is what I use to record. So I'll bring this over here, put my phone in there, and just record right here. So that is all you need. You just need a phone. You can use a camera if you want. You just need something to hold it up, prop it in place, and just get recording. Use a notebook. Plan out how you want to budget. The important thing is to just get started, because especially if you're young, you know, I'm in my 40s and I wish the stuff I'm doing right now I did when my kids were little, because like I'd definitely be a millionaire right now. And it just would have been much better. I just didn't make the smartest of choices back then, and I think any of you out there, especially if you're in your 20s or even if you're 30s, you know, it's never too late to start. So hey, if you're in your 50s or 60s, you can still start. Who cares? The important thing is to just start. Just start. All right, guys, I hope that wasn't too all over the place and you understood what I was talking about. But if you have any questions, please do post a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. And remember, I'm in a 1-bedroom apartment flat, so you don't need a lot of space. This is my dining area. That's what I do. I just use my desk to record. But you can, I know some people that use their floor, they'll go in a closet, they'll use the bathroom, whatever space they can use so that they can make their videos, then just do it. They do it. So just do it. Just do it. And so since I'm wrapping up here, I am done. And so now I am really, really excited and happy to introduce to you, because I know a lot of you are doing her investing challenge. So make sure you go follow and subscribe to her if you have not yet, the Mommy Trader, because she is going to be up next. And I know you guys are really excited to see her whole setup. So thank you guys so much for watching and for putting up with me and listening to me ramble and all that good stuff as always. Again, please do comment below. Please give a big thumbs up if you like this video. And if you are new, please do subscribe. I would love to have you join me on my journey as I pay off all my debt and build up my emergency fund again and save money, because with all the savings challenges that are out there, oh my gosh, saving money has never been more fun. So, and thank you again, Chrissy from the Mom Life, for setting this whole Workspace collab up. You guys check everybody out that's in my description box, because everyone from me on up, no, the Mommy Trader on up is going to be posted below. And remember, if you want to enter the giveaway that Chrissy at the Mom Life is going to be having, you have to be subscribed to everyone. So, all right, guys, thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.